Hi, I'm Tunahan from Greyd, and today I'll show you how to set up your multi-site in WordPress. First, you'll need your file server. I'm using FileZilla, but you can use any FTP program you'd like. And you have to fetch your WP config file from here. Now open this file up in your favorite text editor. And at the lower end of this file, you will find the command, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing." Next to that, you will have to define WP allow multi-site, set this to true. It's also good practice to leave a comment for the section with slash asterisk, call it multisite site, and call it up with asterisk slash. And now we're ready to go. Save it. Next, we'll have to upload it into our file server again. Overwrite it. All right. Now we can go back and refresh the site for us to see the network setup option under tools. Now note that you have to deactivate your plugins for this to work. So we'll go and deactivate our plugins. All right. Now we go back to network setup. Here's the network creation site. And you can change these as you like. We will install just for now. Now you'll have to change the content of two files. The first one is WP config file as we had before. And the second is the .htaccess file. We will get these from the file server as well. We have this one already, and we will get this one. Now I will open that one as well. Let's start with this bottom one. Copy the rules. And you can just delete the content here until only begin and end WordPress is left. And now just paste the copied rules here. We'll do the same for the WP config file. We'll copy the definitions and paste them right next to allow multisite. All right. Now we'll have to go to our file server again. First, before uploading them, it's good practice to just make a backup of your files. So if anything went wrong, you can just go back to them. Same for WP. All right, now we're good to go. Let's upload our files. All right, and all right. All right. Now, if we just refresh our site, you are prompted to log in again. Step. And we're good to go. As you can see, now we have multi-site set up. So we can just add slides by going here and clicking add slide. Now let's just take an example. Slide one, let's say snail and add it. Now you have your next slide. Now the only thing left to do is to just activate your plugins network-wise, like so. And you're good to go.
For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.